Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. In this video, we are going to discuss basics of similar triangles or else triangles. And with this video, you are going to understand the concept of similarity of different figures using daily life examples. My dear students, look at on the screen carefully. You have two pinkies on the screen, senior pinky, junior pinky. These two pinkies are similar. Now you have here two more pinkies, senior pinky, senior most pinky, and these two figures or images are also similar. Now you have few more images to check and identify which are similar on the screen. See here, these two reddish are not similar, but these two reddish are similar. So let us come to a conclusion and observe clearly on the screen. You have all the images. Now, junior reddy, senior reddy, these are similar. Senior pinky, junior pinky, these are similar. But amber and amber are not similar. Why? Because here, as of now, we are able to say the images based on the shape, because here amber and amber does not have same shape, but if you look at reddish and pinkish, they are having same shape. So with the help of shape, till now we identified which are similar and which are not similar. Now let us observe similar figures based on ratio of corresponding body parts. So that is what now we are going to observe. See here on the screen, you have all numbers of different varieties. Now if you look at on the screen, these two numbers are similar, but not these four. Let us talk about these two numbers. Here both of them are having same height, but if you look at the width, this number has less width when compared to this number. When width of this number is decreased, height also should decrease. It means if one part of the body is decreasing, other part also should decrease in the same ratio. Since all the body parts are not in the same ratio, these two images are not similar. Whereas look at these two images, here width is same but height is not same. Height decreased. When height decreased in this number, width also should decrease. So since height and width both of them are not in the same ratio, these two images are not similar. These two images are not similar. Whereas here when you look at these two numbers, height decreased, width decreased, and height and width both of them decreased in the same ratio. That is the reason these two numbers are similar, but these four are not similar. Now let us observe few more images on the screen. You have all ambers on the screen. Here these two ambers, senior amber and junior amber, are not similar because here this amber height decreased but width is not decreased. When height decreased, width also should decrease. It means all the body parts should decrease. Then only we can say these two ambers are similar. Look at these two ambers, height decreased, or else if you compare from this amber to this amber, height increased, width also increased. When compared to this small amber, this big amber's height and width, both of them increased, and both of them are also in the same ratio they are increasing. So that is the reason we can say when all the body parts are proportional, those two images or figures, we can say they are similar. Now, do you think all these pair of images similar? The answer is no. Let us see why they are not similar. See here in this pair, this reddish leg is very thin. When one leg is becoming thin, all other body parts like two remaining hands and remaining leg also should decrease in the same ratio, but that is not happened here. So we can say these two reddies are not similar. And see here, all the body parts did not decrease, but head decreased. If head decreased in this body, remaining body parts also should decrease. Since that is not happened, means all the body parts are not proportional, we can say these two images are not similar. And look at these two. Here, right hand or one hand decreased thickness. So remaining body parts also should decrease when compared to this body. Since all the body parts of this particular reddy is not decreasing in the same ratio, we can say these two reddies are not similar. So the conclusion of our discussion is, we can say two images or figures similar if they are having same shape, one thing, and another thing is if all the corresponding body parts are proportional, then we can say those two images similar. Hope you got good clarity. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.